I bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular travel pillows to figure out which one is the best. There's some pros, there's some cons. You can't really go wrong with any of these. They all do very similar things, but they do have some very big differences. I'm going to cover all that in this video for you. It's right over here. We got the PEUJEW pillow, PEUJEW. We got the Dot&Dot right over here. This thing is awesome. And then we also have the AirSlyng, which is behind me over here. And we will probably start there because this, actually we'll start with this pillow right over here. This is the easiest to go over. So this is just a travel pillow. This comes in all different colors and sizes, so you don't have to worry about this. Just very cooling over here. This is going to be great for any kind of travel. This is also great for camping, going out wherever. I mean, you could probably get a combo of all 3 of these if you really wanted to, because they do different things. This is all the go-to for camping, traveling, just because I don't want to bring my own pillow, especially camping and putting in a tent. Like, that's just not what I want to do. So I love to take this. I love to double this up just like this. It's super comfortable. It's cooling. Kind of has a little memory foam type of feel to it. I don't think it is memory foam, but it does have that cooling. It's not too firm, not too hard. It's just kind of right in the middle, which I personally like. So this is a great option. This also does come with a carrying case right over here, so you could just put this in. Really easy to do, and you don't have to worry about that. We're gonna jump to the AirSlyng. This is, don't get like crazy about this. I was a little on the fence about this one, to be honest. It seemed like complicated. I didn't know if I would like it, but I actually really do like it. This is great for longer flights, keeps you super stable, and in one spot. So this is where it is. It's going to attach to the back of wherever. This could work in a car, this could work on a plane, could work in a train. These are adjustable straps, so you could just put it right over here and then pull that down just like that and adjust it however you like. This right here is the carrying case. So this does come off. You'll fold it together and zip it. It also has a carabiner that you could take with you. Now, it has easy to use instructions right over here. I use it a little differently. You could set it up however you want. So basically you get that this is going to be your sling. This is where you're actually going to put your hands and arms into this, and it like wraps you like a little burrito. It's very cool. I didn't think I would like it at first, but I actually really do. You want to like have this folded out just like this, so it's ready to go. And then you're just gonna drape this right over the seat just like that. Sometimes this does get tangled up a little bit, so just note that. And then this is the eye mask. So it comes with an eye mask. You can attach this to this pillow right over here, and then what you would do, you attach it right over here, and then when you're ready, you just pull this shut and it goes right over there. I prefer to have the eye mask free. That is just my preference. So once you have this kind of set up just like this, following the instructions, you're literally just gonna put the sling just like this. Take this sling, put it right over you just like this, kind of get like wrapped up a little bit. I'm 5'11". I was a little nervous about this at first, and then you just wrap yourself. You're totally like emerged right over here, and this is actually very comfortable. I was kind of like, I don't know if I want to be like wrapped up like this, but you are just super stable. And then when you have the eye mask on, it's just, I don't know. There's something about being wrapped up like this. A lot of the travel pillows that I've gotten, one of the issues with like a lot of the pillows themselves is usually the flights are kind of cold, or the train is cold, and you kind of want to just be like wrapped up a little bit. This does exactly that, and you don't have to worry about, like, it's just super like nylon. I don't know if it is nylon, but it's just really nice to be wrapped up like this. And the nice thing about this too is, like, if you didn't want that going on, you could literally just pop that off just like that. You still have your pillow right up there. You get the sleep mask going. Just a lot of good options with this. You could do the whole immersion, and then this right over here, nice little cushiony, cooling eye mask as well. Next up is the Dot&Dot. This thing I was very on the fence about. I was like, I don't know. This is 26 inches. This does come in different colors as well. And what this does is you could do whatever you want with this. You could fold this. It has like a rod inside that's flexible, so you could have like a nice big pillow like this. This does have like that memory cooling feel to it. So with this too, like you could just do a half like this, and then you have like more. You could just like twist it up like that, or I'm like a side sleeper, so I kind of like this. It could just double however you want it. This also could be around your neck if you wanted to. It does have a little adjustable kind of clip right over here, so you can literally just clip this in, or snap it rather. Snap it in just like that, and now you have like a neck pillow. But it's different. It goes like almost lower. It doesn't really, I don't know how to explain it. This is kind of what it looks like on, but I don't know. There's something about this that I just really like. I do like the fact that you have multiple like kind of uses for it. It does have that snap. This kind of gives you like the most versatility out of all the options, I think, because you could just fold it and bend it however you want. If you want to just kind of just go like this or whatever, if you wanted to sleep like that, you do have that option with this one as well. So now all the three of them together, we got the pillow right over here, we got the AirSlyng, and then we have the Dot right over here. So I would say if you're looking for kind of something super simple, just a regular pillow, this is going to be the one for you, the PEUJEW. Just super simple, comes with a carrying case, comes in different colors, sizes. This is going to be great for camping, hiking, very versatile in that way. And if you want something kind of like freeing, you don't want anything by your neck, anything like that, that's going to be like the very simple one. I would say the AirSlyng is probably, if you're taking a long trip, you want to be stabilized, you want to be wrapped up, or you want to have that option to be wrapped up or fully immersed when this eye mask is pulled across. That will be for you. And then I would say this one, the Dot&Dot, is going to be for you if you're looking for kind of a mix of both. You kind of want a little bit more versatility, a couple of different ways to sleep. You want to be able to kind of be wrapped around your neck. If you want that option, you could do that, and you could easily clip this to a bag as well. Can't really go wrong with any of these options, but that's kind of my opinion on all of these. I hope you find the right travel pillow for you. And again, I kind of use all these interchangeably. This one right back here is more for flights. This one right over here is kind of for trains. Car is nice for this one as well. And then the other pillow over there, that's more for kind of like, we're camping, we're traveling, I don't want to bring my pillow, I want like something nice and cool. And they all do come in different, these two do come in different colors, and this one does come in different sizes. Give this a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and I hope you find the perfect travel pillow for you.